going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be unboxing the all-new iPhone 17 Pro Max. I really love the redesign that they did with the 17 Pro Max, and this was long awaited. I thought they would be doing redesigns since last year, but clearly not. They decided to do it this year, which, you know what, makes it even more exciting because I've been used to the same camera and the same design for the past few years, so I'm so excited for something new. I've also unboxed all of the other iPhone 17s and the iPhone Airs, so check those out down in the description below or on my channel. And let's get started with this unboxing. As I mentioned, this is the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and this is in the 256 gigs in the silver color. On the sides of the box, it says iPhone, and then on the bottom and the top, it also has the Apple logo on it. The front of the box has our beautiful iPhone 17 Pro Max on it with our 3 cameras, flashlight, speaker, microphone, one of the other, and then the sensor. Let's go ahead and open this up. That one did not turn out as satisfying as I thought it would. It just doesn't want to open by itself. So the inside at the top of the box, we have this indent here, and this one is for the camera. And it's not squishy or anything. It's pretty hard cardboard to keep it safe. Here is our iPhone 17 Pro Max. Absolutely stunning. Okay, let's take her out. In the box, very simple this year, less things. We have a charger, which is the braided USB-C to USB-C. And then we have this single piece of paper that says that there's no more physical SIM tray and you need to use eSIM. So that's awesome. Like, we have a paper that tells us we don't have something, which is awesome. You know, right? Like, we clearly needed that. So yeah, this is pretty much all we get in here, just the charger. Very upsetting. I was mentioning in my other video how we're just getting rid of everything now, and next year I feel like we're not even gonna get that charger, and the only thing we're gonna get is just the iPhone, and the price is gonna be much higher. And it really doesn't feel like an unboxing as it used to be back when it was the iPhone 8 or the iPhone 10 or the older models, where we would get literally the adapter, we would get the sticker, we would get so much in this box, and it was just unbelievable compared to right now. Okay, let's move the box aside and let's look at this beautiful phone. I'm not complaining about the phone at all. The phone looks absolutely gorgeous. This is a screen protector for the sake of avoiding scratches, and so we have the silent symbol here, volume up, volume down, the lightning symbol, the action button symbol, and then the power symbol. Let's take this off. And let's turn the phone on. And while it's turning on, let's unbox the case that I got with this. This is the kickstand case. When I tell you, I have been using this one for my iPhone 16 Pro for a full year without changing it, I am not lying. It's very yellow, very old. I was planning on getting the same exact case and a new one, but I was like, just wait one more month and then grab the new one for the newer phone. And that is what I did. This phone case is one of my favorite phone cases. It does get yellow, but it is one of the sturdiest phone cases ever. And the kickstand is absolutely phenomenal. So if you guys are looking for a phone case, get this ESR one. I think it was like $24 for the Pro Max model, and it is so worth that. I've gotten Apple cases for double, triple the price, and it is so not worth it. If you're considering a phone case, these kickback ones are so worth the money. And this is not sponsored. This is my personal opinion and how I feel about cases. Just my personal recommendation if you are looking for a case and a clear one. This one's the one I recommend. I don't know how the colorful ones are. I haven't tried it. I always get the clear one, but I bet they're just as good. Okay, let's unbox this. My camera is acting up. There we go. And I will have a link for this phone case in my description as well, and you guys can go ahead and purchase it if you'd like. Once you get it out of there once, it's pretty easy to put in and out. But let's pop this phone inside of here and then continue. Oh, I love this phone case. It's one of my favorites. If you do want a less bulkier finish at the camera side, you can definitely get the one without the kickstand. I'm pretty sure they have that too. But for me, the kickstand definitely makes the biggest difference ever. I will say this one seems to have an issue because it's like getting stuck in the bottom. And I don't even think it's supposed to like click in. It's not the biggest problem, especially since they do have very good return policies. Let's set up this phone. English, Canada, default medium large. We're going to keep it on default if it lets me. Continue. Quickly set up iPhone. And then let me quickly log into my Wi-Fi and I'll be right back. Just logged in and it says it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. While it's activating, let's talk about the phone itself. So on the top, I'm not exactly sure what this is, but as you can see, the camera is very, very thick, this part. But luckily we don't hold the phone from up here, we hold it from down here. And then the right side, we have our power button and then our action button, along with 2 antenna bands. And on the bottom, we have our USB-C port, speaker and microphone with the 2 little screws. On the left side of the phone, we have our silent switch, volume up, volume down, and then 2 other antenna bands. On the back of the phone, we have our 3 different cameras, our ultra-wide telephoto, as well as our regular camera. We have the flash, microphone, or speaker. Like I said, I keep forgetting what that is. But then we have our sensor, and then we have our MagSafe. So these are the same exact cases, just this one's from last year, but instead of it going as a circle fully, it just does like not a complete circle and then the line below. Software update, we will update after. I was just saying, like, I can't believe it's a new phone and you have to do a software update. That's crazy. Data and privacy, continue. Age range, we're adults. Face ID, let's set this up. First Face ID scan complete, set up later in settings, and Face ID is now set up. Continue, let's make our password. We're just gonna do ones. Don't use this for your actual phone, it's so easy to get in. Transfer apps and data, we will not transfer anything for now, we will do that after. And once again, we will do that after, set up later in settings. And then terms and conditions, we're gonna agree, continue, iMessage and FaceTime, continue, location services, we will set up later, set up eSIM, we will set up later, skip, screen time, set up later, iPhone analytics, don't share, light or dark display, I will keep it on auto, Apple Intelligence, we will set up later, camera control, we will turn that on, action button, customize, we will put it on camera, my favorite thing ever, and then Siri, let's set up now. Siri is ready. Let's continue. Improve Siri and dictation. We will not do that now. Emergency SOS continue. And welcome. Get started. And I will also be doing a camera test on this iPhone as well as all of the other iPhone 17 lineups and the iPhone Air, and I'll also be doing a night mode test on all of those phones as well, including this one. So stay tuned for that. Let me know down in the comments if you guys are a fan of the new iPhone lineups or not, and if not, why not, and what phone will you be getting? I'm definitely a fan of the newer iPhones. They look phenomenal. The Pro Max is huge and the specs of it are awesome. I mean, I can't wait to do the camera test and the battery itself. I cannot wait to experience that. I have the Pro model for the iPhone 16 and the battery is just not holding up for me as much as I'd like it to. So I'm super excited to see how this one holds up the battery for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these, and check out my other videos that I've made on the iPhone 17 lineup, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.